Welcome to my refrigerator temperature monitor project. This is an Arduino-based project where I'll gather data on the changes of temperature in the refrigerator. When it starts with when the door is opened, and I'll record the temperature then, and then record the temperature and time difference from when the door is closed. I'll go on explaining how it all works. So this is it all wired up. I've got the Uno board here. There's the photoresistor over here, and then there's the SD card holder, and lastly the real-time clock and the battery. So they're all the components put together for this. And we'll go on with the wiring diagram now. So here's the breadboard wiring diagram. Start off, we've got the photoresistor, and that is connected to analog 0. Then we'll go to the SD card. We've got the master slave out, and that is going to analog 12, and the in is going to analog 13, and we've got the clocks going to number 11, or pin 11, and then we've got the CS that's going to pin 10. And we move on to the real-time clock. So SQW is going to pin 2, and SCL's to analog pin 5, and SDA's going to analog pin 4. So that's the diagram. Oh, here's the code for the fridge monitor. We have the SPI and SD for the SD card reader, and real-time clock library up here. Now we've got the variables through here that we're using, and we'll get to the setup. So we get the light reading here, and then we set up the SD card, followed by the real-time clock. And set the real-time clock here. Then we've got the main loop. We take the light value, sorry, I'll say this again. Take the light value from the photoresistor and set the time to current time, and we create the time string through here, and also get the fridge temperature. Now with the if statement, so if the light value goes above 200 and the door is not changed, it opens the file that the data is stored on in the SD card. We write, so in the final thing, the store state that's sort of there for testing, so I'll just comment that one out at the moment. But then we get the data and form it into this a string with the formatted time and what the fridge temperature is, and then we print it to the file. So once the door closes and that the light values drops below 200, let's comment this one out here as well. The formatted time and the fridge temperature is added to the row, and it prints it to the file, and then it closes, and it prints this line here, so it starts a new line for the next time it starts. So that's the way it works. And just to finish off, here's a CSV file of the data recorded over one evening. It was only one evening because unfortunately it goes through the power. It was sort of a 9-volt battery and it only lasted about 12 hours. And you can sort of see a bit of a difference. It's sort of often when there is a change, it's a quarter of a degree or so when the door is open. So thanks for watching, and hope you've enjoyed the video.